I've come to Darlington, County Durham, to meet Lindsay and Ian Dayde and their huge family. Ian works as a binman, and like Lindsay, he's also a part-time student. But feeding 8 children is no mean feat, and they're struggling to cope.
We feed them stuff we find in the freezer, this easy, quick, convenience food. I feel guilty feeding the kids frozen food. I know it's not the best food for them. I know they're not getting enough nutrients, but it's I don't see a way out.
Hello. How are you, darling?
Hi, fine.
Nice to see you all. Now, 8 of them.
Yeah, 8 of them.
Are you mad?
No.
Ah.
No, we enjoy it. We enjoy it.
Are you stopping at 8 or are you going for double figures?
No, stopping at 8. Stopping at 8.
Thank God for that.
How do you? A bit of baby weight, you see.
Who stocks this?
Well, I do the internet shopping.
Chicken Kievs, fish fingers, fuck me, roasted vegetable selection. Roasted, frozen, and then defrosted back in there. It's an easy option, isn't it?
I've lost a lot of inspiration for cooking. I need to get them eating healthy again. Fresh veg,
yeah, is absolutely crucial. Who wants to go shopping? Yes? Lindsay needs to get excited about fresh produce again and get the kids involved too to make the shopping easier. Ask them for yellow peppers with no bruises.
Can I have some yellow peppers with no bruises?
You can ask for the cucumbers. Nice, firm, dark green cucumbers, please.
Can I have some nice, firm, dark green cucumbers?
Good girl. Lovely, you're a star.
See you next Saturday.
You heard that, yes?
We'll be here.
OK, great. I'm going to show Lindsay how to make a fast, fun and healthy meal that the family will love. Right, this dish is exciting, very nutritious for the kids, and more importantly, very, very simple to do. Leg steaks of lamb. They're low in fat for Lindsay and great for making the ultimate finger food for kids. So it needs a simple marinade, seasoning oregano, mint, rosemary, and dried tarragon. Do the kids like garlic?
Yes, they do. Love it, yeah.
Grate it. The zest of a lemon juice. We'll leave that in the fridge 45 minutes to an hour. The trick to getting kids eating vegetables is to make it fun. I'm going to get the kids making their own salads. Who's going to be the best?
Me!
You've got, OK, 1 minute each, starting from now. Off you go. Come round, quick. I want to see the best one. Spread out a cucumber. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Nice. Are you ready for the kebabs? Yes. Out with the marinated lamb. Delicious. Finished with mushroom. Nice and hot, lightly drizzled with olive oil, and then lamb. Yoghurt into the bowl. Yoghurt contains potassium, calcium, and plenty of other vitamins. Fresh mint. It also makes a fantastic dip. Not just for the lamb, also for the salad as well. So it becomes really nice and healthy. Pita bread. A couple of spoons of the sauce. Kebabs. Tyler, what do you think?
It's nice.
No more frozen roasted vegetables.
Promise.
Who would like this for dinner again?
Everybody!
Everybody, that's right. Take care, sweet.
Thanks.
Good to see you.
Thank you very much indeed, sir.
Muscle. Early Christmas present, yes? Use them. Now bag it. Stop at 8, for God's sake.